if you want to be a professional level craftsman, you have to be willing to be critical of your own work and inspect it. And if it isn't exactly what you want, you have to be willing to do the work to do it again. And that's where I'm at this morning. This is a slider, the underside, that's been cut and smoothed perfectly. The problem is it needs to come down just a little bit more for the covers to provide just a teeny bit of stability. I'm willing to have that much angle, but not that. So that means I have to recut and re-smooth that center. The willingness to look at your work critically. See, you have to go from being a perfectionist doing top work to a critic. Change your mindset. What's wrong? What can be better? And you don't want to say to yourself, oh, it doesn't matter. Oh, it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. No, 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 no. You say to the workman's self, hey, you need to go back and redo this to make it right, to make it the best it can be. That's the standard for customized harmonica stuff. So we're going to go back now and we're going to fix that. And the method I'm going to use, I'm going to go right back to the Dremel tool, and then I'm going to go right back into the sandpaper and I'm going to redo it until it was at the standard I want. Because that's what this harp is. It's one like mine. That means it has to be to the same quality standard. Not bad news, not good news, just the way it is news.